How do you replace staples in a staple gun? I definitely have you here. I got one of these, a couple of these guys over here. So when they make a staple gun, they make the part where you put the staples just big enough to hold a full strip. So normally if there's any in there, I'm going to take them out. Nope, there's none in this one. So to open that, you don't pull, you have to squeeze and pull. Now that opens up this bottom compartment here, and that's where the staples go. So I'm going to lay a full strip of staples in there. And when you close this, go ahead and just use the heel of your hand and let's talk about this one. This one's a little bit more popular of a design model, and it's similar, but it's not a squeeze. You can't just pull it. You have to push in. It's spring-loaded, pull down. That's how that works. You push in, pull down, and then that little latch moves and you can get it open. With this style, you slide a strip, pointy end down. There we go. So it goes in. Now the end of this is conspicuously shaped like a staple. Align that with the shape of the staple. In there. There we go. Remember spring tension. And then just the opposite movement where we kind of push it under spring tension and then latch it there. And that's it. We've loaded up a ton of staples. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. I'll see you later.